So let's look at some word problems now. Amir and Alex have some money. Here is Amir's money. Here is Alex's money. How much money do they have altogether? If you look at the coins, Amir has 5p's or 5 pennies. So we're counting in 5. So here we have 5, 10, 15, 20. These are 2 pennies. So if we counted those, we'd be counting in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 4 times 5 is 20. 7 times 2 is 14. Remember, we can add the 10s first and add the 1s. 2 10s and 1 10 is 3 10s. 0 add 4 is 4. 3 10s, 4 1s, 34. This was a very similar question to what we did yesterday. 5 times 5 is the same as 1 times 5 plus 4 times 5. So we've got 5 times 5 here. So then we've got 4 times 5 here, 4 groups of 5, and then 1 group of 5, so it is the same. 5 times 5 is 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5. So we've got 2 5s there and 3 5s there. 5 times 5 is the same as 2 times 5, which is there, plus 2 times 5, which is there, plus 1 times 5, which is there. 5 times 5 is the same as 1 times 5, which is the red, plus 3 times 5, which is the blue, and the 1 times 5, that is yellow. Okay, because you're looking at them and thinking, right, 2 groups of 5 plus 3 groups of 5, put those together, we've got 5 groups of 5. Okay. Again, looking at the greater than, less than, or equal to, have a look at these questions. If we look at the first one together, remember, with any multiplication, we can swap the numbers round and it will be the same. So 3 times 5 equals 15. 5 times 3 is also 15. So it is the same. 5 times 5 plus 5 times 5 is the same as 5 times 10. This is more difficult. 5 times 5 equals 25 because we've counted in 5s 5 times, 25. Then we'll add another 5 times 5. We know that we've got 25, so it's the same again. 25 add 25, that makes 50. 5 times 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50, so they are also the same. If we look at the final question, 9 times 5, we've got 9 times 5, which equals 45, because we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I should have 9 fingers up. If we look at 10 times 5, and we're taking 2 of them away, we've got the 10 times 5 here. We take 2 of them away. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 5 now. So 9 groups of 5 is greater than 8 groups of 5. Have a go at the rest of the worksheet now, please.